13 months to 15 months. Gross motor. Sub-skill stands independently for 10 seconds. The parent supports the child's trunk or torso while beginning to balance in a standing position. Assistance can be reduced by changing support to hold his or her wrist. Finally, let the child stand without assistance and train him or her to gradually increase the duration until he or her can stand independently for 10 seconds. Fine motor. Sub-skill draws lines on paper. 2. 1. Crayon or pencil. 2. A5 size paper. Child development methods. 1. The parent shows the child how to use a big crayon to draw lines on paper. A pen, pencil, or color pen may also be used. 2. Ask the child to draw. If the child cannot, hold the child's hand lightly to draw lines on the paper until the child can do it by himself or herself. Remarks. Parent may help the child practice by drawing lines in hand using a finger. Receptive language. Sub-skill correctly chooses 2 items as instructed. Tool. A ball, doll, cup, and toy car. Child development methods. 1. Place 2 familiar objects in front of the child. Sit opposite the child and call his or her name to make eye contact, showing the objects or toys and naming each one. 2. Put the object away for a moment and then show them again. Name each object and get the child to point at the correct one. Press the child if he or she names it correctly. If incorrect, use hand on hand to help the child to point at it. Move the objects closer while repeating their names. 3. If the child points incorrectly, put that object away and place the correctly named one closer to the child. Praise the child if he or she picks it up. 4. After the child can do it 4 out of 5 times, change the pair of objects. Alternative materials. Household objects that are safe for the child to use. Expressive language. Sub-skill speaks at least 2 single words. Child development methods. 1. Encourage the child to use short words in real-life situations. For example, at mealtime, use the word eat and have him or her verbally imitate eat. 2. After getting dressed, use the word go and have the child verbally imitate go before leaving the room. 3. When reading a story, use read or look and have him or her verbally imitate the word before proceeding to read. Personal and social. Sub-skill imitates doing housework. Child development methods. When parents do housework, prepare suitable cleaning equipment for the child. This can motivate him or her to participate in doing housework with parents, such as sweeping or mopping the floor and wiping the table. Parents demonstrate the activity and praise the child when he or she tries to do it.